Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 is down 0.6% today, carrying through a trend of having kind of the first day of the week be a down day here for the last couple of weeks. Really, I think what's happening today is just people are getting ready for Nvidia's earnings reports tomorrow. We have two big driving forces in the market right now: is inflation. Is it going up? Is it going down? Now, I think it's been a little bit hotter than people expected, so that's been something to deal with. And the other big driving force, of course, is artificial intelligence. And Nvidia is the bellwether for that at this point in time. Kind of reminds me of Cisco in 2000 run up. They were the bellwether for the internet and at the beginning of the big movement, especially in 1995. And so we're going to see what they do. The problem for Nvidia is that when they reported their first quarter earnings last year, it was quite a surprise. Market really wasn't expecting them to have that much of a jump. Really started to understand what was happening with artificial intelligence after that report. And that was the beginning of this thing. And essentially, I think Nvidia was up maybe 30-40%, as I recall, within a couple of days. And now the expectations is so high that, everybody knows what's happening. It's much more difficult for a stock to even go up on a day, even if they do great. But they have been doing great, better than great, actually, on all of their earnings reports so far. So they could do it again, but it gets harder and harder. They keep, raising the bar. So we'll see how that plays out. But so the market's going to sit around. We saw tech stocks sell off a little bit more, small caps sell off even more than that. Just there's some kind of profit taking in case Nvidia misses by a lot and there's some drop or what have you. But all of this is normal. There's nothing wrong with what's going on. A little dip like today is it really not consequential. The market is still going in an upward direction on a primary move. Very much so, and maybe even too much so, actually, to the point where probably needs some kind of a rest here. Wouldn't be surprised to see that, but we keep going. It's been amazing. So anyway, that's what's happening today. I look forward to seeing what's going to happen with Nvidia's earnings tomorrow. I'll tell you what I think about, and we'll see how the market reacts to that and what have you too. But we'll talk about that then. Thank you very much.